Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. We have a new knife for 2023. This is the Benchmade Carbon Freek folding knife. The part number is 560-03. This is a full-size version of the very popular Mini Freek, as you can see here, which is part number 565-1. So the blade is a drop point blade made from CPM S90 VS Super Premium stainless steel. The open length is almost 8.5 inches long. The blade is 3.6 inches long. And when it's closed, it measures 4.86 inches. The handle is made from carbon fiber and includes a lanyard hole. And for more detailed information, please see the specifications in the description below. So this is a really quick open. It is not assisted, but it's really nice and smooth. This knife is a little bigger for my hands, which are a little on the smaller size. That's why I prefer the mini version of that knife. But if you have larger hands and you're wanting to get some real good work done, this is the knife for that. And before I share the price, make sure to subscribe to our channel right now. That really helps you out for alerts to new products like this, discount codes, Black Friday deals, and how-to videos. Make sure to like this video as well because that really helps us out a lot. We're an authorized Benchmade dealer and we only get our products through them. So these cost $315 with free shipping at PremiumSelectSupplies.com. Thank you for watching.